inside the Niger Delta.
Welcome back. It's Inside the Niger Delta, the authentic voice of Nigeria's oil-rich region. For the All Progressives Congress, APC, and the People's Democratic Party, PDP, the race for Creek Heaven has thrown up legal hurdles arising from the outcome of their governorship primary election conducted on September 3rd and 4th, respectively, in Bayelsa State. In the APC, frontline governorship aspirant Priye Aganaba last week moved the suit he filed against the party and its flag bearer, David Lyon, to the Abuja Federal High Court, which has ordered a substituted service on the respondents. Aganaba is praying the court to void the September 4 governorship primaries that produced David Lyon as governorship candidate of the APC, alleging that primary elections did not take place across the 105 political wards of Bayelsa State.
The prayers are essentially for the court to give us leave to serve David Lyon and Degi by substituted means. So those are the prayers. And then the second one is a deeming order, so that the court regularizes that the processes that were served by substituted means will be deemed to have been properly served. So those are essentially the two prayers that the court granted.
In the same vein, a federal high court in Yenagoa has issued an order for substituted service on respondents in a suit challenging the emergence of Senator Doye Diri as governorship candidate of the PDP.
Service of some of the defendants have not been effected, and it's not been possible to effect service. So we came to the court applying for substituted service, and it's a demonstration of our confidence in the judiciary process. That's why we presented our complaints before the court, and the court would decide on the basis of our facts and our evidence in arriving at a full determination of this case.
The suit filed by Chief Timi Alaibe, former managing director of the Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, is asking the court to order a fresh primary election on grounds that the September 3 primary election was manipulated and conducted through a flawed process.
Inside the Niger Delta.